In this video, we will guide you through the process of becoming a call reviewer, and share some valuable tips and tricks to help you excel in this role. Hello, and welcome to the Money Express channel where we talk about all things money and making more of it. So, let's get started. What is a call reviewer? A call reviewer is someone who listens to pre-recorded calls and evaluates them based on specific criteria. This can include assessing the quality of customer service, sales techniques, or adherence to company policies and procedures. Call reviewers play a crucial role in helping businesses improve their customer interactions and overall performance. Here are some platforms where you can find call reviewer jobs. Humanatic. Humanatic is a platform that helps businesses review their calls and provides them with analytical reports to improve customer service and sales. Sign up on their website to start reviewing calls and earning money. PointQA. PointQA offers contact center quality and performance management services. They evaluate and analyze agent-customer interactions to unlock key behavioral and procedural drivers of sales, retention, and service. To work with PointQA, you need at least 1 year of call center experience or the equivalent. 3. Reynolds and Reynolds. This automobile dealer support company occasionally hires part-time call reviewers to listen to customer calls and identify missed sales opportunities. No experience is necessary, and they may recruit from all states. 4. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can offer your call reviewing services. Create a gig on Fiverr and start earning money by reviewing calls for clients. Listeners app. The Listeners app allows you to earn money by listening and providing feedback on calls. Download the app and sign up to start earning money as a listener. How to become a call reviewer. 1. Research platforms. Research the platforms mentioned before to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Sign up. Once you have chosen a platform, sign up for an account. This may require providing some personal information and completing a brief assessment to ensure you have the necessary skills for the role. Familiarize yourself with the platform. After signing up, take the time to explore the platform and understand its features, guidelines, and requirements. This will help you become more efficient and effective in your role as a call reviewer. Start reviewing calls. Once you feel comfortable with the platform, start reviewing calls. Be sure to follow the guidelines and criteria provided by the platform to ensure accurate and consistent evaluations. Tips and tricks for success. Improve your listening skills. Being a successful call reviewer requires excellent listening skills. Practice active listening by focusing on the speaker, avoiding distractions, and taking notes if necessary. Understand accents. A good understanding of various accents can be an asset in this role, as you may be required to review calls from people with different accents. Familiarize yourself with common accents and practice identifying them to improve your accuracy and efficiency. Be objective and unbiased. When reviewing calls, it's essential to remain objective and unbiased. Focus on the specific criteria provided by the platform and avoid letting personal opinions or emotions influence your evaluations. Manage your time effectively. Call reviewing can be time-consuming, so it's crucial to manage your time effectively. Set aside dedicated time for reviewing calls and avoid multitasking to ensure you can give each call the attention it deserves. Continuously learn and improve. As with any job, it's essential to continuously learn and improve your skills as a call reviewer. Stay up to date with industry trends, best practices, and platform updates to ensure you remain knowledgeable and effective in your role. Network with other call reviewers. Connecting with other call reviewers can provide valuable insights, tips, and support. Consider joining online forums or social media groups dedicated to call reviewing to expand your network and learn from others in the field. Becoming a successful call reviewer takes time, dedication, and practice. By following the steps outlined in this video and implementing the tips and tricks we've shared, you'll be well on your way to excelling in this role. Remember to stay focused, be objective, and continuously learn and improve to ensure you provide the best possible evaluations for the businesses you serve. Before you go, please don't forget to follow us for more informative videos like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends who might be interested in becoming call reviewers as well. Good luck, and happy reviewing!